Welcome back to another episode. For today's episode, it will be a Easter special. This shall release on the Thursday before Easter. I'll start with the ingredients, really simple. So we're gonna need some Nutella. You'll need some hazelnut wafers. These taste horrible on their own. You're gonna need to buy these to grind them up to make the base. 35% cream, Ferrero Rocher chocolate, which is optional. Some chopped hazelnuts here, also optional. For the top, what I'm going to be using is just 100 grams of the cheapest hazelnut milk chocolate that we're gonna melt and use for the top. It's mostly the base and the middle that's gonna matter. We also have some cream cheese. So first things first, we're gonna take 400 milliliters of the whipped cream and we're gonna whip it at high speed like we always do in all our cheesecake videos. Check those out as well, guys. By the way, the recent Snickers cream cheesecake is an insane recipe. So check that one out as well. Also, don't forget to check out the vlogs, by the way, the vlog channel. I'll plug that somewhere. Check the description. We'll get this whipping at high speed here. And I completely forgot to mention, and we won't refilm all of that, but yes, we will be using butter. We'll be using a quarter pound of butter that we're gonna melt, and we'll put it with the grinded up wafers, 200 gram of wafers, and we'll use this as a base in our 9-inch round. All right, and here we are. Now, just moments later, we had the whipped cream turn into whipped cream. And now all I did was I took the cookies that were grinded up, the hazelnut wafers. Then I took the butter, put it in a bowl, just stirred it a bit, put it over here on the base, and I made sure not to record it because this usually takes me longer than it should. But I spread it out like this on the 9-inch round. And something, let me tell you guys, I got this tool yesterday. What a complete waste of time. This doesn't spread anything. What a waste of time. I'm probably gonna throw it across the room when the cameras are off. Just use a spoon, all right? Make it simple, just press down, use a spoon. I'm sure there's another way to do this. I just don't. Anyway, this is gonna go in the fridge for about an hour or so. It's gonna get harder. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add the cream cheese and the Nutella in here. We're gonna spin this, we're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna show you guys. Very simple. We're gonna take the cream cheese, which by the way, important, let this sit out like this, chopped up for a few hours before you make this recipe, just to soften it up, make it easier. So we're gonna put the cream cheese, we're gonna put the Nutella, all of it, especially at this price. And then we're gonna mix this. And once this is combined together, what we're going to do is we're going to add in the cream at the end. You could also not whip your cream, but the consistency is not the same. So I always make sure to whip the cream. Now what we did is exactly what I just said. So we mixed the cream cheese with the Nutella first. Then what we did was we added the whipped cream, as you saw. Now I'm just doing it by hand at the end. The final, I'm just gonna do it by hand just to scrape the sides, make sure we get everything in, especially at the cost of Nutella. This is not a cheap recipe by any stretch. This, like all my other cheesecake recipes, these are quite expensive. But if you have to buy this somewhere at a bakery and spend $60, $70, it's a bit crazy. So instead, you know, if you're like me, you just gotta make it yourself. I mean, that's what it is. So now we're just gonna turn it by hand. Then, while we wait for the base for 1 hour, we're also gonna put this in the fridge for the rest of the time. Then we'll be back for the next part of the video where I'm gonna show you how we do the top. We are now back, it's about an hour or so. Now the base became hard, so this is what it looks like. See, it's nice and tough. That's what we're looking for. We still have our mix. We're gonna put our middle cream mix inside here, and then we'll let that sit for maybe 10 minutes, not that long, just enough just for it to settle because this has been in the fridge, so it's still cold. Just enough to settle. At the same time, we have the double boiler going on because I don't have Chef Mike, AKA a microwave. The next plan to do the top was to melt the chocolate bar with the 100 milliliters of cream that's remaining from our packet in the double boiler so we could put that on the top. And then once that's on the top and it's still hot, I'd probably just decorate with some of these hazelnut pieces and some Ferrero Rocher chocolate, but that's completely optional. You could do whatever you want. But anyways, that's where we're at right now. So let's get to it. All right, so here we are. We put the cream filling all on the inside. We're gonna leave this here for now. And let's once again try and use this because I feel like maybe I was using it wrong. Maybe if I do like this to sort of get it straight. I don't know, look, we'll do this. And wait, this actually kind of works. Maybe these things are good. How much should I pay this? Too much, but maybe these things are good. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So now it's gonna look like this. We're gonna put this in the fridge for about 10 or so minutes. It's already cold and solid anyway, but 10 minutes while this continues to heat up. Then I will melt the chocolate, the cream. We'll come back. We are now back 10 or so minutes later. I could tell you right now, this is quite solid. It doesn't move much. We have our chocolate bar here, hazelnut chocolate bar. You can use whichever chocolate you want. The whole recipe is customizable, by the way, as any one of my other recipes. But anyways, we'll get to that. But we're just gonna simply pour it right on top like that. We're gonna get all of it because I paid $1.50 for this chocolate bar, so you better believe we're gonna get all of it. And now to turn it around, or sorry, to mix it, cover the whole top like that. By the way, if you're wondering why there's no vents over here, it's because I'm currently cleaning them and there's so many things going on, right? I'm so busy, you guys don't understand. Like, I'm just trying to pump out videos. We're gonna put this cake back in the fridge now. Now, because we have cream in here and because we have melted chocolate, this is gonna take a few hours. It's not gonna be ready in 20 minutes. It's gonna stay in here a few hours. Ideally, even overnight, you could leave this and then it's gonna become solid. You're gonna be able to unbuckle this and it's gonna stay as a flat layer on top and you can do whatever you want. All right, we're back. It's a day later. I completely forgot about this cake. Long story short, I started cleaning the grease trap or whatever you want to call this of the fan, of the stove, of the range. So here's the cake. We're gonna do this and we will very, very carefully go around just to clean the outside, and bam, put this on the side here. This is gonna make a mess. What I wanted to do here, and I usually don't decorate my cake, so I'm trying to be artistic. What I wanted to do here was put maybe just like one here, then one, how many do I have? Okay, maybe like this. One here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, one here. All right. And then what I wanted to do was sprinkle some hazelnuts on top, but I'm starting to think maybe I don't want to do that. Like, I have some crushed hazelnuts here. I don't think I want to do that. Kind of nice like this. What do you guys think? Guys, look at this. Doesn't this look nice? Look at that. I'm not even going to cut it. This is nice. I don't want to cut. I don't want to ruin it. You know what? There's no taste test. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Sub, like, comment, share only if you're successful and or attractive. As per usual, we only want the best of the best here at T-Shirt Cooking. Every single one of my subscribers, you know what's up. Call the video. I got to go back to cleaning and I just got back from work and it's been a super long day. Yeah, I got nothing else to say. It's just, that's the Nutella cake. Check out the other recipes. Check out my vlog channel.